Good morning, renovation contractors in the GTA. Paul Myers, Clark Communications. I wanted to give you a couple of free tips that you guys can use for your marketing efforts that I think would really help with conversions. So I'm watching a lot of different posts happening in the in this group. Awesome stuff, lots of great content, incredible quality of workmanship in a lot of these photos. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about, when you pay for traffic. So if you're running, let's say you're running these style of ads, which is what we call Google AdWords or PPC, pay-per-click ads. Most of what you'll see online is everybody will run this traffic to their website. And that's a big mistake for conversion. So for example, we built out this website here for a client in North Bay. Lots of great content, lots of fun things to do, sliders, more sliders, just a beautiful website, lots of great content, lots of keywords, everything's great, navigation, everything. The challenge is there's too much on here to send paid traffic to. This is great for organic traffic, but not for paid traffic. So if you come in and took a look at some of the ads that we've run for him, this is what we send them to, is a single landing page. So there's no navigation. There's only one thing they can actually do, and that's give us their name and number for us to then reach back out to them. So this will convert at about 30 to 35% better than just sending them to your website. So a big mistake in the paid space is don't send traffic to your website. Have a special page built out. It's called a landing page or a sales page or an advertorial page, and send your paid traffic there so then you can capture the name, phone number, and email. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you.